Hello guys, in this video we will try to understand the average function in Excel. So let's get started. First what you have to do is that go to Excel, type A, V, E. Okay, then itself the things start popping up, right? You will start having options. Continue writing average, AVRA. Now rather than typing the entire thing, to complete it, just click on the tab button and average will pop up. So now here Excel itself shows us all the formulas, the structure and what we have to follow. Okay. So according to Excel, the formula is that first we have to write average, we have completed, and then within the brackets, we just have to write down the numbers that we have to add up. Okay. So that is what we have to do. So let's say 1, 2, 3, close the bracket and type enter. So here what it did is that it took the average of 1, 2 and 3. So now let's go to simple maths and try to calculate. We have three numbers 1, 2 and 3. So how do we calculate the average of a number? Average of a number is calculated by taking their sum first, which is 1 plus 2 plus 3, and then dividing the total sum by the number of entries. So 1, 2, 3, we have 3 entries. So it is 1 plus 2 plus 3 divided by the total number of entries, 3, which gives us 2. So as you can see here, the average of the three values and how we calculate it mathematically are matching. So this is actually what average formula is and how we can apply it in Excel. So now let's take an example and try to use the average function in an example. So here we have certain members of a sales organization. We have 10 members and monthly sales for these members for 4 months, which are January, February, March and April. So our objective in this example is to calculate the average monthly sales for the first 4 months. Okay. So now we have 4 months and as you can see for each of the month the sales are varying. So if someone goes and asks, they have 4 month data, how much is Adam selling on a monthly basis on average? So in this case, how do we give an example? How do we give the right answer? So here we just have to apply the same formula that we saw. So how to apply it? Type equal to, then write average, AVERA. It comes up. You can either write it completely or click on tab button to complete it. And then we have to choose the numbers. So here how do we choose the numbers? We have to choose from Jan to April. So click on Jan and then drop the whole row till 17. Close the brackets. Click on enter. So that's it. 37. So this means that the average sale by Adam over these 4 months is 37 number of items per month. Please note that this is the per month average. Okay. So now let's try to do it for Peter as well. How do we calculate it? Equal to average. This time I will type it entirely. Brackets. And then we have to choose the numbers. And then again close the bracket. Click on enter. See, for Peter, the average quantity sold per month is 37.75. So now again, we can either do it individually for each of this, but that will be a time consuming. So instead, the easier way would be to click on here and then drop it all the way down till where we need it. And it is autofill. So see here, this is how we can do it. And just to take an example, 44, Scott has the highest average. So if the objective was actually to find out the best salesman who sells the most number of items in a month, then Scott is the person, and how we found out is using the average formula in Excel. Hope this video was useful to you guys. Thank you.